Last 10-day block is Ge. Okay. Now, 同人之隔 based on the 教室一零, right? Huge mountain in each of the 4 directions, the path is blocked. So passageway being blocked. Wanting to move forward, but turning back for home. Okay. To me, the way I look at it, it could mean border closure. Right? So because the path is blocked, right? And it's blocked from 4 directions. So you want to move forward also cannot. No choice but to turn back and go home. So it could be border closure. Now, if you think about it, if let's say the previous energy was that it's so chaotic, there's infighting, there's war, maybe expanded war, all the countries got to, pull in to help this wolf to fight the 3 tigers. In the end, worst case is they have to close off all the borders, right? Before they expand further. So this could be the situation here, that border closure. Now, when I read into the day-to-day energies, this is what I saw, and I put it up for your consideration. Not only got border closure obstacles, I also see rest in peace, collapse, injuries, stampede. When was the last stampede that we can recall? This year, the Itaewon, Korea, South Korea, Itaewon stampede, right? And this energy is coming back again. But anyway, this 10-day energy is a Ge day. So what can we expect from Ge? Got to be chaotic lah, got to be changes lah. Okay, so that changes may bring about injuries, collapse, death, blockages here and there, and then stampedes. So the blockages could also comes from the stampedes. We don't know.